Hello students. In today's session, we are going to do a very important reaction which helps us understand the structure of amines and elimination reaction. The reaction students that we are going to do is Hoffman's elimination or Hoffman's exhaustive methylation. So let's get into the reaction and understand each and every step involved in the reaction. So let us say student we have primary amine over here. So I have ethylamine. And in the first step, I perform methylation. So I have excess of methyl iodide. So we know that students in the first reaction, it will first convert into from a primary amine to a secondary amine. And since methyl iodide is in excess or we need basically students 3 moles of it, what we get after the methylation process is a quaternary ammonium salt. So over here students, after methylation or adding 3 moles of methyl iodide to ethylamine, pardon me, I wrote ethylation, ethylamine or ethanamine, I get a quaternary ammonium salt. So we have a quaternary ammonium salt. When this quaternary ammonium salt is treated with moist silver oxide, students, we get a quaternary ammonium hydroxide. I repeat, what we get is, instead of the quaternary ammonium halide, we get a quaternary ammonium hydroxide. We can say silver iodide का precipitate मिलता है and हमें मिलता है यहाँ पे quaternary ammonium hydroxide. Quaternary ammonium hydroxide. Now, when this quaternary ammonium hydroxide is heated at a high temperature, somewhere around students 400 degrees, जब हमें heat करते हैं, and this step is the most important step. So let us observe ये step पे कैसे elimination होता है students. Now carefully observe the quaternary ammonium salt, the quaternary ammonium hydroxide, and the बीटा कार्बन. Now since students यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक ही बीटा कार्बन है, so बीटा elimination में a proton is extracted from the beta carbon, and these electrons are then used to form a double bond. और ये आपका जो ट्राई मिथाइल अमाइन है, that is your leaving group. So OH ने प्रोटॉन, जो बेस ने आपका प्रोटॉन एक्सट्रैक्ट कर दिया, तो आपको मिला H2O. देन आपका ये ट्राई मिथाइल अमाइन, द ट्राई मिथाइल अमाइन इज योर लीविंग ग्रुप, एंड एलिमिनेशन प्रोडक्ट में हमें मिलता है स्टूडेंट्स CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2, दैट इज हमें मिला इथीन. एंड रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट्स, आई रिपीट, ये जो आपका ट्राई मिथाइलमाइन था, दिस इज योर लीविंग ग्रुप. ये स्टेप में क्या हुआ? इस स्टेप में हुआ E2 एलिमिनेशन. दिस एंटायर रिएक्शन को हम बोलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स हॉफमैन्स एलिमिनेशन और हॉफमैन्स exhaustive methylation. Now what we need to really understand students is the major product, or the product over here is Hoffman's product. It is not Sadzef's product. We've also done an elimination Hoffman product and Says-Zip product. तो यहाँ पे हमारा main product is Hoffman product. Hence, Hoffman's elimination or Hoffman's exhaustive methylation also helps us understand that how steric hindrance overpowers electronic effect, and you get the least substituted alkene as the major product. In case students we had multiple beta carbons, I repeat, अगर हमारे पास multiple beta carbons होते, then the least hindered beta carbon will be our major product. least hindered beta carbon से प्रोटॉन का एक्सट्रैक्शन होता है. Let's take one more example to understand. हमारे पास let's say students ये एक particular secondary amine है. Let's say students this is my secondary amine. Now first step पे तो हमें पता है कि we are going to perform Hoffman's exhaustive methylation. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप पे जब हम मिथाइलेशन करेंगे we need 3 moles, अभी हमको पता है. I'm sorry, over here in this case we will need 2 moles. तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या प्रोडक्ट मिलता है? After the methylation we get this as one of the products, and then this is our quaternary ammonium salt. ये बन गया हमारा quaternary ammonium salt. Then when we treat this with moist silver oxide, तो हमें मिलेगा quaternary ammonium hydroxide by the precipitate of silver iodide. By the precipitate of silver iodide, I repeat, हमें मिलता है quaternary ammonium hydroxide. Now student comes the important part. When you heat this at high temperature, अब यहाँ पे हमें ध्यान से Hoffman's elimination करना है, and the reason for that is here we have बीटा कार्बन and यहाँ पे भी हमारे पास बीटा है. I'll number this is beta 1, I'll number this is beta 2. And the least hindered beta कार्बन से आपको प्रोटॉन एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है. So मेरा least hindered ये जो बीटा कार्बन है students, यहाँ से you will extract, the base will extract a proton from here, and then these electrons they come here and ये हो जाता है आपका लीविंग ग्रुप. सो आपको फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट मिला CH2 double bond CH2 as usual H2O, and the tertiary amine that we get here is CH3 N CH3 and CH2 CH2 CH3 N comma N dimethyl propanamide. Now students, the reaction won't stop here. इसका आप again Hoffman's exhaustive methylation कर सकते हैं. So basically when you have N-ethyl propanamine, you can perform Hoffman's exhaustive methylation twice. And जब आप second time इसका students Hoffman's methylation, Hoffman's exhaustive methylation के बाद elimination करेंगे, then the final product पे the beta hydrogen ये beta carbon से extract होगा. एंड आपके प्रोडक्ट्स होंगे प्रोपीन प्लस ट्राइमिथाइलमाइन एंड वाटर. सो ये आपको जब आप सेकेंड टाइम HCM करेंगे तब मिलेगा. एंड द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट एथिलीन और एथीन, व्हेन यू परफॉर्म HCM फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, देन दैट इज व्हेन यू गेट एथीन, एंड वापस HCM होने के बाद यू गेट propene. So I hope students you understood the entire process of Hoffman's exhaustive methylation. For some examples, students, I have given some homework questions. You can try these questions to practice more on Hoffman's exhaustive methylation. Keep doing it till you reach the final stage. Thank you so much, students. If you learned something from the video, I request you all to please like, subscribe and share. And if you have any questions, you can always leave your comments behind. This is Nitin sir, JP's Academy. थैंक यू सो मच।